A Russian warship fired warning shots and boarded a cargo ship it claims was headed to Ukraine in the Black Sea on Sunday. This marked the first instance of Russia using force against merchant shipping beyond Ukraine since withdrawing from a UN brokered grain deal the previous month. Ukraine on August 14 condemned what it called provocative Russian actions and called for decisive countermeasures by the international community. Moscow said in a statement on August 14 that its Vasily Baikov patrol ship fired automatic weapons on the Palau-flagged Sukhru-Okan vessel after the ship's captain failed to respond to a request to halt for an inspection. Russia has said it will treat any ships approaching Ukrainian ports as potential military vessels after it left a UN brokered deal last month that allowed the safe passage through the Black Sea of Ukrainian grain. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine strongly condemns the provocative actions carried out by the Russian Federation on August 13 in the Black Sea in relation to the Turkish dry cargo vessel Sukhru-Okan, which was en route to the port of Izmail, the ministry said in a statement. Russian officials stated that automatic weapons were used to halt the vessel with warning fire, and Russian military personnel boarded the ship with the assistance of a Ka-29 helicopter. After an inspection, the vessel continued its journey to Izmail. After the inspection group completed its work on board, the Sukhru-Okan continued on its way to the port of Izmail, said the Defense Ministry. The incident was a clear violation of international law of the sea, an act of piracy, and a crime against civilian vessels of a third country in the waters of other states. A senior advisor to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said. Kyiv said that the incident was a gross violation of international law and exemplified Russia's deliberate policy of endangering the freedom of navigation and safety of commercial shipping in the Black Sea. Since Russia exited the Black Sea grain deal, tensions have escalated, with Russia and Ukraine issuing warnings and conducting attacks that have unsettled global commodity, oil, and shipping markets. Both countries have threatened to treat approaching ships as potential military vessels and they flag states as combatants on the opposing side. This situation has led to concerns of a de facto blockade of Ukrainian ports by Russia, prompting Ukraine and the West to accuse Russia of endangering the flow of wheat and sunflower seeds from Ukraine to global markets. Russia, on the other hand, contends that the West failed to implement a parallel agreement to ease regulations for its own food and fertilizer exports.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.